You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
Hello y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing my Valentine's clean and decorate with y'all today. And I actually didn't plan on decorating for Valentine's this year, but I was inspired by all of the cute decor and home goods. So I actually had a gift card from Christmas and I went a little wild. I have always wanted to use gnomes in my decorations, and I can never find the right time to do it. And so I figured, why not for Valentine's Day? That's kind of a fun one anyways. So I got lots of gnome things, and I can't wait to share all of that. I also wanted to share with y'all my new rug for the living room. I've been wanting to get a new rug for this room since we brought Oliver home because our other one was kind of gross. And it also wasn't super padded, and I want him to be able to have something soft to crawl on. So I'm excited to show y'all that. I hope you stopped by needing some motivation today because this video is packed. And I'm so glad to have you, but let's go ahead and jump right in. To start off, I wanted to quickly vacuum up our old living room rug because I actually have a friend that wants it, so I'll just roll that up and put it in the garage for now. Out with the old and with the new, and I mentioned in my last video I want to spend less on useless decorations and spend more on items that are going to last forever. So I have some really exciting pieces coming up in just a few weeks. We've had that dog kennel on the other side of the living room since last year, and it's a pretty big eyesore when you walk in. So I did a little hunting on Facebook Marketplace, and I found something that is absolutely beautiful and that Oliver can use for years to come. So I'm so excited to show y'all. It's definitely a fixer-upper, so I'm going to be filming that process, and it will be in a video very soon.
Oh yeah, it's on.
The rug I just rolled up and my new rug are both from boutiquerugs.com, and I love their rugs so much because they are super high quality and very affordable. I actually have a coupon code for y'all if you're interested, and it is 62% off their entire website, and it's just Yarbrough 62. And I'll have this new rug linked below so that you can check it out if you would like. Boutiquerugs.com has an insane variety of rugs and home accents, and I could honestly scroll for hours on their website. They have a rug for every single thing you could possibly think of, and they are very budget friendly. This rug is usually $990, but with my coupon code it is only $376, and this thing is huge. This video really doesn't do justice of how big it is. It is an 8x10 and it fits our living room perfectly. I'm thinking about getting a similar one for our master bedroom for underneath our tufted bed. I feel like that would be so pretty. And rugs can make a huge difference in the whole feeling of a room. So if you don't like a space in your home, all you have to do is add a new rug. It's seriously that simple, and they just make such a big difference. As you can tell, that white rug and this rug make our living room look completely different. But make sure to check that link below to shop boutiquerugs.com, and thank you so much to Boutique Rugs for collaborating with me today.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms.
And is there anything better than a new rug that has fresh vacuum lines? It is seriously the best. I'm so excited to have this new rug because Not only is it a little bit cushier for Oliver to crawl on, but it is so pretty. I love the way it looks with our wooden TV stand and our gray couches and our cream ottoman. It kind of just brought everything together and made our space look so cozy, so I'm so excited. Most of the Valentine's decor that I'm going to be using this year is actually from last year, but I did pick this little gnome banner up from HomeGoods this year, and I was so excited to finally add in some gnomes to my seasonal decor, because for Christmas and for Halloween, I always see these little gnomes at HomeGoods and I want them so bad, but they don't go with any of my other decor. And so I figured what better way to add them than to use them for Valentine's Day, because that's kind of a fun and cutesy holiday anyways. And I feel like Oliver is going to love these next year, and so I'm just excited about that. But I got a few more gnome things too that I'm going to show you. And I got that little pot of tulips on the coffee table from HomeGoods this year as well. And I love that it's already put together for me, and the flowers are not going to die because I am the worst at keeping plants alive. And then I'm just going to add a fun little candy dish over here on the little side table. I don't remember where I picked up these little heart string lights last year, but they add the perfect little Valentine's ambiance here in the living room. I turned out the lights to show y'all what they look like when it's dim in here. And then I also picked up this cute little gnome pillow from HomeGoods this year. It says I love you, and I thought that added the perfect little touch on our couch. One of my favorite places to decorate for the holidays is the kitchen. I like to have all of our main living spaces decorated so that if somebody comes over, it's fun. But the best place ever is the kitchen, because I do lots of cooking and baking in here around the holidays, and it just makes it really fun. So I'm going to start out in here with my lemon antibacterial method spray and just get everything wiped down and get a clean slate for decorating.
Baby, I've fallen for you, and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else.
By the way, I found this cute little pink top at Walmart for like 15 bucks. I will try to link it below if they have it online. But it's so stinking cute and so comfortable. I love it when I find a shirt that does both. So I'll link that below if you're interested. They had other colors too. I had this red mug from last year. It says you plus me equals heart. I think it's from Target last year. I put that over there in the Keurig, and then I added a little plant. I'm going to add my Love Never Fails sign over there in the corner like I did last year, but I'm going to add a different banner on it over there in just a minute. I found this cute little gnome towel at HomeGoods this year, and I had to snag it up trying to get all of the gnome things for Valentine's Day. And now I'm just going to wipe down all of my appliances with some Sprayway to shine them up.
On every occasion, laughter and hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right.
I found this really yummy candle in the Hearth and Hand section at Walmart, and I believe it's grapefruit and basil, and it smells so good. My husband kept coming in the kitchen and thinking dinner was cooking because it smelled so good, and I had not even started dinner yet. And now over here in the corner, I'm just adding a little sparkly heart banner that I found at HomeGoods. It has some little tassels on there too, and I thought that added a really fun touch over there in the corner. And here in just a minute, I'm gonna share with y'all a really delicious pizza recipe. It's a homemade pizza crust. I also wanted to add a little sparkly heart up here above the microwave, but this pizza recipe you are not going to want to miss. I'm going to shape it into a heart for Valentine's Day, but it is seriously delicious.
I
Okay, I have to credit this recipe to my Uncle Rick because I actually grew up on this pizza. Every time we would go to a family reunion at his house, he would make this, and it is so delicious. It's kind of sweet because he adds sugar, but it just calls for 2.5 cups of flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 packages of yeast, and 1.5 cups of warm water and a half teaspoon of salt. And I'll link the directions down below for you, or not link them, but I'll write them out for you down below so that y'all can make this if you want to. It is so easy. It takes 20 minutes to bake this pizza and so stinking delicious. Way better than Papa John's or any kind of pizza that you could order. And you can shape it into anything you want. So I'm gonna make this one into a heart, and y'all, it is just so good and so easy.
Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I like to push on the edges and make them a little bit thicker than the middle because that's obviously the piece that you grab onto when you go to eat it. And I'm just gonna add the Prego pizza sauce on top with some mozzarella cheese. And the greatest part about making your own pizza is you can add whatever you want to it. So for ours, we added obviously lots of mozzarella cheese, some pepperonis, some green peppers, and some banana peppers. And this time we didn't do this, but we also like to add olives sometimes and some onions and mushrooms. You can add whatever you want. That's what makes it awesome. But this turned out so delicious.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah.
I'm just gonna pop that in the oven for 20 minutes, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna go over here to the little breakfast nook and wipe down our table and add some decorations here on the table. And then I'm also gonna add a few pieces to our hutch to make it fun for Valentine's Day.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Hold on when you need a friend. I'll never let you go again.
I added some Valentine's M&Ms to a cute little ramekin in the middle of our table there. And I also have some Reese's sitting out in our kitchen. I love having seasonal candy sitting around our house because there's nothing more exciting than when you walk into the kitchen to find something to eat and you can't find anything, but then you see that Reese's, that seasonal Reese's, and it just makes your day. So I love having candy sitting around. It's so much fun. It's so delicious. And now we're headed over here to the hutch. I'm not going to do much over here. I'm just going to add a few little pieces of red decor, some things with little hearts on it. I got these cute little heart ramekins this year at Home Goods. And this little love sign, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby last year. Just a few cute little pieces to spruce it up for Valentine's Day. Nothing crazy. And then we're going to go back over and take that pizza out of the oven.
And put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it. And put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it. And put it in your head.
Our pizza came out perfectly golden brown, and Will ate practically the whole thing. So ladies, if you're trying to find something you can make on Valentine's Day to impress your man, look no further. We actually paired ours with some salad and Olive Garden Italian dressing, and it was the easiest and yummiest little dinner. Thank y'all so much for stopping by today. I'm going to have Oliver's night routine up later next week, so stay tuned for that. And then lots more fun home projects coming. Comment down below if you have fun plans for Valentine's Day this year, and I will see y'all in next week's video. Bye!